When open concept living is done well, it includes a generous kitchen island, an abundance of natural light, and open flow between spaces. Kind of like the house we're in today. Hi, I'm Swab with Piatt, Sotheby's International Realty, and this 4-bedroom Bethel Park home might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Welcome to 416 Winfred Manor Drive. Quartz counters, custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and modern gold accents. These are just a few of the highlights you'll enjoy in this incredible renovated kitchen. The bedrooms are all generously sized, with 2 on the main level and 2 upstairs, all with hardwood floors. As for the bathrooms, you have 2 full and 2 half baths, and all of them have been tastefully updated. We all enjoy having a little extra space to spread out into. This finished lower level with game room and laundry area is perfect for just that. Thanks for joining me today in another beautiful home. I'm Swab with Piatt, Sotheby's International Realty. For more information, contact me directly or visit 416winfredmanor.com. Have a good one.